Doxy, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Because I am quite lovely, okay? Tesla stock is up, intros are lit, life is good, not really. Today guys, we're just gonna take another detour to what I'm normally used to doing. Today we are going to make a boom bap type beat. But of course, you know we gotta add a little twist that I like to add to my videos all the time because, you know, I am a certified weeb and I wouldn't be fulfilling my duty as a certified weeb if I didn't make this video a anime themed video. So that is exactly what we're going to do. We are going to be making a boom bap type beat from an anime sample. I don't know what anime yet. I still haven't found a sample, but I just turned on the camera and I was like, you know, we'll find it together. Okay, me and you, we're gonna go get this anime sample. YouTube's probably gonna take a while. It will definitely take a while to load, but
it was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Don't forget, join the Discord, okay? Do all my stuff there. I'm always in there talking to you guys. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because, you know what I'm saying, I'm dropping bangers every day. Well, maybe not every day, close to every day. I'm dropping bangers quite often, okay? So, yeah, join the channel.
What did you say, nigga?
Subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and let's just quit all the chatter. Get into this sample journey finding thing. All right. Okay. Let's open up Chrome and see if Chrome wants to cooperate with us.
2,000 years later.
Whatever. Alright. Come on. Yeah, boy. Great.
One eternity later.
Looks like Chrome decided to finally load. Alright, let's go on to YouTube now. Oh my god, I do not like how slowly this is. Oh my god, wow. Ooh, this is pissing me off. Alright. I'm just gonna use one of the anime samples that I already have. Okay, I'm pretty sure I have some in here. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this out, okay? I don't think I've used this one in anything, but we're gonna try it out. I will get new samples though. Best believe it. Alright. I'm gonna play around with this loop. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna let you listen to it yet because I don't want to get copyright claimed.
Eventually.
That kind of works. So we're gonna, you know what? Yeah, I like this. This can work for a boom bap. This can definitely work. All right, you know what? Let's start it off. All right, let's get this bass line going. All right, this is a pretty cool melody. Don't want to mess it up. Hold on a second. Come on, just turn on the, oh wait, I gotta put on pattern 1. Sorry. Okay, let's get rid of you. This is cool. I like where this is going. I might be jumping the gun here, and this might turn out complete garbage, but I think I can do something with this. All right, let's continue this. Let's you know. Alright. It's time to get the drums in there now. We're getting the drums in there now. Where is Kanye West? There we go. Let's get the kicks. I like getting the kicks in there first when I have the 808. Or, 808 or sub bass in this case. Just because it's, you know, I don't know, it initiates the bounce. That's what it does. Alright. Alright, now we need to turn up that kick. The kick is not, I'm not hearing that. We need to hear that. Do I even want this? This is not even boom bap anymore. I don't even know what this is. Oh my god. Nah, what's a nice Alright, let's add the hi-hat, see how interesting it's gonna sound. You know what? I'm gonna leave it there, guys. The beat sounds good. I don't want to change it. I mean, it is a boom bap. Not a conventional boom bap, but it's, you know, the Docs Gang special boom bap. You know what I mean? But yeah, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.